Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we dive deep into the best of what's out there in the world of home appliances. Today, we're taking a look at a vacuum that promises to bring compact power and advanced performance to your cleaning routine. The Dirt Devil Endura Light Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. With a design that promises a no-worry clean, this vacuum targets both carpet and hard floors with ease. Let's see if it delivers on that promise. The Dirt Devil Endura Light packs some serious punch into its compact frame, making it an interesting option for those looking to save space without sacrificing performance. First things first, let's talk about the suction power. This vacuum uses Dirt Devil's advanced Endura filtration system, which ensures no loss of suction as you clean. That means whether you're tackling dust on a hard floor or embedded dirt in your carpet, it should maintain consistent power throughout your session. The multi-floor brush roll adjusts to various surfaces, making it versatile enough for both low-pile carpets and hardwood floors, which is a nice touch for anyone juggling different types of flooring in their home. This model is corded, meaning you don't need to worry about running out of battery halfway through a cleaning session. While some may prefer the freedom of a cordless model, the Endura Light's consistent power makes it a reliable option for those who don't mind staying close to an outlet. The quick-release extension wand provides 6 feet of extra reach, making it simple to clean higher surfaces like shelves or drapes without straining. Plus, the onboard toolkit is a convenient addition, giving you the flexibility to clean tight spaces and corners with ease. One of the standout features of this vacuum is the easy empty dirt cup. Gone are the days of struggling with clunky bags or complicated disposal systems. With just the press of a button, the dirt cup is released, making it quick and mess-free to dispose of your dirt. And if you're worried about maintenance, the Endura Light offers a rinseable filter, simplifying the upkeep and reducing the number of times you need to replace parts. In real-world usage, this vacuum proved its worth in several areas. On hardwood floors, it picked up dust and dirt without scattering debris or leaving streaks behind. The multi-floor brush roll also did a decent job on low-pile carpets, lifting embedded dust with ease. When it came to higher surfaces, the extension wand made cleaning shelves and ceiling corners effortless. However, it did struggle a bit with thicker carpets, especially when lifting deeply embedded dirt. While it performs well for light to medium-duty cleaning, with heavy-duty jobs may require more powerful vacuums. Now, no product is without its faults. The Dirt Devil Endura Light is on the heavier side compared to other models in its price range, and this might be an issue for users looking for something ultra-lightweight or easily maneuverable. The noise level is also something to note. It's not as quiet as some high-end models, which could be a downside for those sensitive to sound. Additionally, the 6-foot extension wand is handy, but might not reach high enough for very tall users, or especially high areas without the use of a ladder. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum stands out in the budget category. Priced lower than many other uprights with similar features, it provides a solid performance across a variety of floor types. While it might not be the top pick for pet owners or homes with heavy carpets, it works well for small to medium-sized homes with mixed flooring. You get a lot for what you pay, especially in terms of ease of use and maintenance. If you're comparing this to other vacuums in the same price bracket, you might find options like the Bissell CleanView or the Hoover Wind Tunnel 2, which are similar in terms of price but offer a few extra features. The Bissell CleanView, for instance, is known for its ease of use and strong suction across carpets, while the Hoover Wind Tunnel 2 boasts better filtration and a slightly quieter operation. That being said, the Dirt Devil Endura Light holds its ground with its simple design, ease of maintenance, and consistent suction power. In terms of build quality, the Endura Light is solid but not premium. The plastics feel sturdy, though they might not be as high-end as some more expensive models. The assembly is fairly straightforward, and maintenance is easy enough, with minimal parts to worry about. It's built for simplicity and durability, but doesn't go the extra mile in terms of premium materials. Now, one of the biggest questions for any vacuum cleaner is whether it will last. With Dirt Devil's reputation for affordable, practical vacuums, we can expect decent longevity here, though it may not have the high-end durability of more expensive models. With regular care, like cleaning the brush rolls and maintaining the filter, this vacuum should hold up well for years, though long-term reliability may depend on how often it's used and the conditions of your home. If you're wondering about customer support, Dirt Devil generally has a reputation for responsive service, but I haven't personally needed to contact them about this specific model. From what I've heard, their support team is quite helpful with common issues like motor problems or clogged hoses, and the warranty is fairly standard for this type of product. So who exactly is the Dirt Devil Endura Light Upright Bagless Vacuum best for? If you have a small to medium home with a mix of flooring types, this vacuum could be a solid addition. It's especially useful for people who want something that's easy to maintain and doesn't require constant upkeep. It's perfect for households without pets or heavy carpet usage, but will also serve well for quick cleaning sessions on low-pile carpets and hard floors. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're considering this vacuum or already own one, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest reviews coming your way. Goodbye till next time, and remember, a clean home is a happy home. Unless you're like me and just love testing vacuums,